let's go.
Okay.
Tank to the right, full S tank. So what we're doing is now a before takeoff checklist where we do the engine run up. Make sure that that's 2000 RPM. Establish that all temperatures and pressures are all within the green. Once you've established all temperatures and pressures are all within the green, and you have set the park brake, now increase the power to 4000 RPM. Are all within the green, as you can see.
All the cylinders.
All cylinders are functioning 100%.
Yep.
Is what we call a magneto check. So we're going to check the left magneto, and how you check it is by looking at the engine RPM. It should only decrease between 100 and 130 RPM. That's exactly at 100, so the engine is 100%. We get back to both. No red flags, no circuit breakers have popped. Go to the right. That's 90. Back to both. Nothing out, no red flags, no X's. Everything is so far is 100%. Flat.
Yes, sir.
Check idle 1600. Set back to 2000 RPM.
Well.
Alright, once you've done that, check full free movement. Master on. The ignition is on both. EFIS has been set up and establish that. Trim is neutral. So it's like from a left to right. EFIS, trim is neutral, come to flaps, 10 degrees. What does it point to? Aux fuel pump, on. On, make sure the fuel is rising, pressure, and we have confirmed that.
Yeah.
So all the landing, will switch them on once you get to the runway, so not yet. So, and then after that you come to the checklist and confirm that you've done what you've just mentioned. Have we done the taxi? Yes. Have we done the engine run up? We have done it. Is the ignition both? Yes, it is. Is the master on? Yes, it is. Is it trim neutral? Yes, it is. Have we checked the flight controls? Yes, we have. Transponder and EFIS? Yes, we have set it. Aux fuel pump is on. Aux fuel pump is on, confirmed. Flaps 10 degrees. So we're going to take off in a 28 direction. Once we take off in a 28 direction, we'll be routing to Cape Town. Level off at 2,500 feet first so that we activate the flight plan, and then for that we can commence the climb to flight level 105. Takeoff briefing. In case you don't feel well, there are sick bags. If it gets too bumpy, please do not hold the control lever. If you feel unwell for any chance, let me know. I'll be able to land the aircraft safely on the ground.
Hey.
MosselBay traffic, Sierra Tango Oscar, taxiing to holding point 28.
MosselBay traffic, Zulu uniform, Sierra Tango Golf, radio check.
Reading Eastern 5 from Sierra Tango Oscar.
I can't see anything.
Left is clear.
Yep.
MosselBay traffic, Sierra Tango Oscar, lining up to it.
Then you can see the numbers there. They're on the right runway.
0930. Direction is 28. Runway 28 confirmed. Landing and strobe is on. MosselBay traffic, Sierra Tango Oscar, rolling 28. Maintaining runway heading, climbing to 2,500 feet and routing for Cape Town. Sierra Tango Oscar. Alright.
1,500 foot, routing via Hartenbos.
To Pinnacle Point at 1,500 foot remaining landward side of the coast, and thereafter
the pressures are within the green.
Also at 1,500 foot.
55 knots. Rotate. .74 knots. And then trim the aircraft. Left is clear, right is clear. 300 foot above ground, brakes, undercarriage, flaps. Aux fuel pump is off. Landing and taxi light.